This is a used 2012 GMC Acadia. It's powered by all-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. The features include a sunroof, electric trunk, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite radio, remote start, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, auto-dimming mirrors, a spoiler. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, side airbags, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.